G'day everyone, it's Jarrad here from Final Electric, and today I'm going to film a short video about air conditioning and air conditioning remotes, how to use your air conditioner properly, how to save some money, and what the different settings are on your remote. So first of all, I've got here a remote from Mitsubishi Electric air conditioner. Basically you have your standard controls on the front, your power, your temperature up and down, and your display screen. Now under here is where things get complicated and most people get lost. So I'm going to switch the camera around and we're going to have a look at the inside air conditioner controls and what they do. Starting with the screen, let me grab my pointer. We've got the display screen. Up here are the different modes. Here's the temperature, signified by the thermostat. We've got the fan with the fan symbol, the 4 blades. We've got, this is a side view of the air conditioner on the wall, and this one's a front view of the air conditioner on the wall. So as you can see, we also have a clock with a day, clock, and what looks to be a time currently flashing. We'll fix that in this video. So the quick rundown is that your settings along the top here mean what mode the air conditioner is on. For instance, the sun means heat. The sun doesn't mean summer mode. The sun means make it hot. The fan is for fan only. This symbol, or it might be another weird symbol, it could be any number of different icons, but this usually means automatic. Same thing for this one here. This means the unit will decide how fast to spin the fan, signified by over here. This symbol means that it will figure out how cool or hot it is and tell you how much power you need behind the fan. All you have to do is tell it what temperature you want the room to be. This one's the best for saving money as long as you leave this down low. The only downside is the fan may act up, it may speed up, slow down without you telling it. Same thing for that one. And this is the most common one. You're going to have it on the ice, or the snowflake, sorry, for winter mode. Your temperature is going to be set lower, your fan and all that stays the same. You want to set your temperature to the 20s, the low 20s. Anything below 19, 18, etc. is just going to cost you money, as the air conditioner will very unlikely get the room down to that temperature. It will just continue to run constantly. This drip is a dehumidifying mode. It does not have a temperature, but the air that comes out is usually cool. That's for humid climates. And we're back to heat. So we'll continue through. I'm not going to go through every option. I'm just going to go through the basics. You have an economy option, which will often control the power output so that it saves you a bit of money while it's operating. That only works on cool, it looks like. There you go. And you may see there's an extra symbol with the extra lines in it. Same as that. To turn it off, just press again. We may put on the powerful mode, where the unit will really crank up and it will go to the lowest possible temperature that the cold setting can. And you can do the same for heat mode. You might want the long throw, where the air conditioner will try to throw the air as far out as possible across the room. So we'll turn off powerful now. We'll turn off long. The last couple of things I'm going to run through are the night mode, which is usually the quietest possible fan. So you'll see it usually operate over in the fan section. This one doesn't, it comes up there. It may even let the temperature increase slightly overnight, just so it's not constantly cooling. We have a wide vane, which is a left and right with the front view of the air conditioner. So you can position it where you want it. We have the up and down vane, which is, point it towards the ceiling or towards the floor or somewhere in between. You can also, with the arrows, get it to rotate between. It will just constantly go like that. And for this one, it will constantly go like that. All right, the last couple of things I want to run through is the timer. This is really good. what you'll need to do on most is set the clock. So I'll hit the clock with a little pin. I'm going to pick the time. It's currently 8:15. Okay, there we go, the clock's set. The best thing about the timer function is that we can decide when we want the aircon to come on. So say we get to bed and it's a really hot night, but you don't want to leave the air conditioner on all night. Well, what you do is you turn your aircon on, you put it to your cooling setting that you prefer, with your fan speed you prefer, and your everything you like. And then you just tell the air conditioner, okay, you want to press the off button, and this thing will say off, and you tell it what time. Okay, say 10 o'clock tonight, I want my air conditioner to go off. The other good one is the on timer. So say you want your air conditioner on at 5:30 in the morning for heating reasons, you know, at 5:30, or maybe you get up at 6 and you want it to come on as you come downstairs, hit the on button. Okay, so on this particular remote, when you want the timer to be in the off position, well, the unit to be running, ready to turn the timer off at 10 p.m. or on, what you need to do is if you want to unselect that, you just hit this button again and that'll turn it off. This means there's no timer set. If you want to turn your on timer on, press on, adjust your time, and then all you need to do is wait for it to stop flashing. It should be about 10 seconds. There you go, now it's not flashing anymore and it's on. You can still muck around with the temperature, and it shouldn't awake the unit because it will know that it now needs to come on at that time. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the quick run through of the Mitsubishi Electric remote control. This is really valuable if you like saving money, if you've got a new air conditioner. So yeah, especially if you're in Melbourne, because it's really cold right now and it's going to be really hot later in the year. So it's good to know these little tips, especially if you like sleeping with the air conditioner on, or you like waking up with the heater on. The split system's really efficient at that, and the timer function's just the best. So thanks for watching. Hit follow and subscribe. It's Jarrad from Final Electric.